If you're a content creator, you're probably interested in things like increased exposure and reach, enhanced brand awareness, boosted engagement, monetization opportunities, driving traffic to other platforms, building a community, networking and collaboration, and fun and creative expression. And one of the best ways to do that is to create short, viral videos. Easier said than done, you may say. I've tried to create viral videos my whole life and I've never been able to do it. I can't crack the code. Well, what if I could make it super easy for you to do? That is exactly what I'm going to do today on a platform called Clipwise. Hey, welcome back to the channel where we discuss the creative uses of AI. There are truly now countless AI-driven video creation platforms to help you generate videos from a text prompt or an idea or whatever. But there are several things that set Clipwise apart from those services. The most compelling to me is that every image you see in the created videos is generated specifically for that video with AI, whereas other services will sometimes pull from stock video services and things like that, which results in you using video footage that other people might use. Also, it may not be exactly what you're looking for. I'm sure if you've played with those platforms, you've put in a script and gotten back video that has nothing to do with what you're talking about, and you've had to go in and change it. No big deal, but that does happen. With Clipwise, every frame is what it should be. And the best part is you can get started for free. So here we are on their webpage. Bring your stories to life with animated shorts. And you've all probably seen videos that look something like this. They got AI generated imagery in the background, fun and easy to read captions, and some music and some effects to grab your attention. And all you need to do with Clipwise is input your idea, select your video style, preview your script and make any changes you'd like, then simply download the video and share it to the platform of your choice. Clipwise features its own AI viral script writer, a diverse selection of visual themes, voiceover, and even nice overlays to add to the mood. They've got packages ranging from free up to $29 a month, and it truly couldn't be easier. Let's do it. Create your first video. Here's where all the magic happens. You'll notice there's a drop-down where you can choose from 7 different languages, and we'll play with another language other than English in a little bit. And then you simply type in an idea. You don't have to generate a script, you just type in an idea. But what idea should you use? How do you know what a good idea is for going viral? Well, this is where GPT comes in. And now with the new 4.0 version, it's even cheaper to use and faster. I'm simply putting in the prompt, look at the current trends in social media and give me 5 ideas for videos that are likely to go viral right now. So it's coming back with AI art creations and reactions, a day in the life, transformative makeovers, quick fun DIY or life hacks, or wholesome or uplifting content. So why don't we try the day in the life? So it's create a day in the life video, but with a unique angle, such as living like a historical figure, a fictional character, or following a strict regimen. So let's just go back to Clipwise and say a day in the life of a mermaid. And generate. 45 seconds, English, and here's where we choose the mood and tone of the video. So for the tone, it can be humorous, dark and intense, or informative. I'll go informative. And then we choose the visual theme. We have not only these, but we have these as well. I think in this case, I'll just go with the 3D Pixar because that's fun. Visual overlays, we've got these, and we also have one more, which is Meteor. I'm imagining they'll be adding to these. In this case, I'll go with Night Sky, even though it may or may not be appropriate, but now we choose the background music. Time for headphones. That's a little intense. That's a little sad. I don't know about mermaid stuff. That's probably good, summer vibes, but we also have these choices as well. That's nice. We'll go with that. And we'll choose a voiceover. We have these 4, but we also have these.
A failure is a man who...
Welcome to this San Francisco.
Everything in the ballot is... Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
Well, with that music, that voice might be good. And click next. So we've got a summary of everything we've chosen, the 3D Pixar style, voiceover Ava Jones, the background music Serene Waves, and now we can choose the caption style. Do we want the captions along the bottom of the video or in the center? And then which font do we want? I'll go with this Lolita 1, and we'll keep it at yellow. And now you can see that it's generated unique mermaid images in the Pixar style to go along with the script. Ever wondered what a day in the life of a mermaid is like? Well, grab your flippers, because we're diving in. My day starts like any other. Okay, so it's told in the first person. I'm glad I chose that voice. With a good brushing. Except my hair is made of seaweed. And my brush is a pearly seashell. Well, wait a minute. She actually says this twice. My day starts like any other with a good brushing. This is actually a repeated line for whatever reason. I'm going to take that out. You're always going to want to check AI-generated scripts. It's a perfect way to start the day and feel fresh for adventure. So now let's go back and we'll look at this. I really want her holding a brush. Forget the seaweed thing and click regenerate. There we go. We got it. We'll close this up. Next, it's time for breakfast. We mermaids love pearls. Finding them is part of the fun. This one's a beauty. She's not really holding a pearl there. Let's see if I can do that real quick. A mermaid holding a shiny pearl. Oh, great. So I encourage you to play with the images that are created if you want something more specific, because yes, this can be a snap your fingers and it's done tool, or it can just be a good launching point and save you a ton of time anyways, tweaking the script a little bit, maybe regenerating one or two of the images. You're still saving a ton of time. So let's close this up and let's go ahead and click on next here. And then it generates the video and it takes just a couple of minutes to do. And here we go.
Ever wondered what a day in the life of a mermaid is like? Well, grab your flippers because we're diving in. My day starts like any other, with a good brushing. Except my hair is made of seaweed, and my brush is a pearly seashell. It's the perfect way to start the day feeling fresh and ready for adventure. Next, it's time for breakfast. We mermaids love pearls, and finding them is part of the fun. This one's a beauty. I'll add it to my collection. After breakfast, I head to my favorite seaweed forest. It's a great place to meet friends and have some fun. These dolphins are always up for a game of tag. They're so energetic and playful. Later, I catch up with my mermaid friends. We share stories, gossip about the latest seahorse trends, and plan our next adventure. We love to spend time together, exploring the underwater world. As the sun sets, it's time to head home. It's been a day filled with adventure and laughter. Being a mermaid is the best life. I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. What do you think of a mermaid's day? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more underwater adventures. See you in the next one.
Okay. Wow. That was so much better than I expected. The voice was great. The music was great. The effects were great. The visuals were great. It asked you to like and share and all the stuff. Like, that was incredibly impressive to me. Let's go do another one. Create a new video. This time we're going to do something in another language. Let's choose French. What were ideas? Day in the life, transformative makeovers, quick, fun DIY life hacks. Let's do some life hacks. Now keep in mind, I don't speak French, so I won't be able to really validate how well this is doing in terms of the translation, but what I love about my subscribers is that they do chime in and let me know, and that's important. I'm going to choose French, but I'm going to type the idea in English and just see what happens. How about 5 life hacks for the kitchen you need to know? I'm going to click on generate and see what happens in terms of the language. I do want this to be informative, although the temptation is to go dark and intense, but it just doesn't fit the topic and it may not work very well. So how about this time we'll use this style, colorful comics. We can do the sunlight overlay. We'll use the laugh tracks audio. You'll notice that because we've chosen a different language, we now have a different set of voiceover characters.
Le bonheur ne réside ni dans les possessions.
Il est fatal de se lancer dans une guerre.
Right, what she said.
Par une nuit étoilée, un vieil homme.
Yeah, a little harsh.
Avec Google Cloud, vous bénéficiez de notre...
Google Cloud.
Alors que le bal des primaires suit son cours depuis le début de l'année.
All right, she's confident. Entertainment, TV, we're choosing Clara Dubois. Now the moment of truth. Will it give us a French script, even though I prompted it in English? Meanwhile, we'll choose our caption style. In this case, I'll go center. We'll keep it at luckiest guy. We'll go purple. Ah, it did. It wrote the script in French, so you don't have to type the prompt in French. Let's just see how these translations are. We'll go over to Google Translate. We'll go to French to English. Are you tired of spending hours at the kitchen? We've all been there, but don't worry, I have 5 cooking hacks that'll revolutionize the way you cook. All right, well, that seems pretty solid. Let's check the next one just for fun. First tip, say goodbye to the chore of pitting strawberries. Take a straw and push it into the strawberry. Oh, this is great. This is great. Solid translation. So we've got pictures to go with it. We got the straw going into the strawberry. I won't check all of this right now. We'll just go ahead and click next, and we'll let it do its thing. Okay, it's ready. Let's take a look.
Vous en avez assez de passer des heures en cuisine? On a tous été là. Mais ne vous inquiétez pas, j'ai 5 astuces de cuisine qui vont révolutionner votre façon de cuisiner. Première astuce, dites adieu à la corvée du dénoyautage des fraises. Prenez une paille et enfoncez-la dans la fraise. Faites-la tourner et hop, le noyau sort tout seul. Deuxième astuce, débarrassez-vous de la peau d'ail en un clin d'œil. Placez 1 ou 2 gousses d'ail dans le micro-ondes pendant 10 secondes, la peau se détachera toute seule. Troisième astuce, besoin de légumes frais rapidement, plongez vos légumes surgelés dans un bol d'eau froide. Ils seront décongelés en quelques minutes. Un armé de chat. Quatrième astuce, organisez vos ustensiles de cuisine en un clin d'œil. Utilisez un trombone pour les garder regroupés et facilement accessibles. Cinquième astuce, dites adieu au gaspillage. Sortez le maximum de jus de votre citron en le faisant rouler sur le comptoir avant de le couper. Voilà, 5 astuces rapides et faciles qui vont vous faire gagner du temps et de l'énergie en cuisine. Dites-nous dans les commentaires quelles sont vos astuces préférées. Et n'oubliez pas de liker, partager et vous abonner pour plus de conseils et de recettes.
Again, even though I don't speak French, I love the energy of it. We check the translation, so we know that's pretty good. And I do believe that this type of presentation is the kind of thing that hooks people in. Like that mermaid thing, a day in the life of whatever. That does open up your mind. Let's see what they say about this one. Let's see what they say about this one. So I think both of these are solid, ready-to-go videos without a lot of need to do any extra editing. If you wanted to throw it into something else and maybe add an element here or there, I guess you could, but this seems ready to go to me. As far as downloading, some browsers behave differently when you click a download button. In my case, when I click the download button,
Vous en avez assez de passer des heures?
it brings the video up into another tab, and I would need to right mouse click and click Save Video As. So I'm just telling you that if that happens, you don't know how to save it. Conversely, you can just right mouse click on this video right here on this page and click Save Video As, and it's the same thing. That may not happen to you. Your browser may pop up a download window like normal, but I just wanted to let you know just in case that does happen to you. So taking another look at the pricing, the free plan lets you do 2 videos with a watermark and just generally limited settings. If you're really going to use this to go viral with things, you're going to want to go with either this plan or this plan. The Viral Toolkit plan has 10 HD videos without a watermark, and you have access to all the different video and audio settings, plus priority generation. If you're really cranking out a lot of videos or you have multiple channels, then $29 a month for 20 HD videos is probably the way you want to go. If learning about these kind of tools that help you get your creativity out there are of interest to you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel because this is the stuff we explore all the time.
If you subscribe now, I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you do not, I will look for you. I will find you. And I